Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Now we draw alphabets A to Z. First we are using black color pen. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of B. Subscribe to our channel. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the alphabet of G. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. So kids, now we draw H. The alphabet of H. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit, and the next one is K. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, N for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. O. O for orange. The next one is P. Now we draw Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Now we draw V. The next one is W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.